In the series of Cybersecurity Essentials for Beginners, today's topic is CIAD Triad. It stands for Confidentiality, Integrity and Availability. This triad is the first step if you want to set up cybersecurity checks and policies irrespective of the organization size. Also, it is considered as one of the cybersecurity essentials because it defines primary goals and objectives of a cybersecurity infrastructure or secure IT environment. So, first principle of the CIAD Triad is confidentiality. Question comes, what is the goal of confidentiality? Confidentiality means that only authorized individuals, devices or systems can access sensitive or classified information. The data that is being sent over the computer network should not be accessed by unauthorized individuals or even devices. Cyber attackers may try to capture the data using different tools available on the internet and gain access to the information or data. So, the goal of confidentiality is to prevent or minimize unauthorized access to data. Confidentiality focuses on ensuring that no one other than the intended recipient of a message receives the information or is able to access it. It prevents unauthorized users from accessing the information. Having confidentiality means your secure cyber environment offers a high level of assurance that data, devices and resources are restricted for unauthorized access of any kind. Having confidentiality does not mean that your environment will not face cyber attacks.